Hello everyone, today we're checking out the Imarku 15-piece kitchen set knife. Quick disclaimer, this set was sent to me for review, but as always I'll give you my honest thoughts based on my experience. Now let's go ahead and start unboxing. First inside the box is your 8-inch chef's knife. This is your all-purpose workhorse. It's got a wide blade and curved edge, perfect for rocking through veggies or slicing meat with control. Next is the 8-inch slicing knife. It is long and narrow, ideal for carving meats like roast or brisket. It's designed to glide through without shredding the fibers. Next is your 8-inch bread knife, serrated edge built for crusty loaves and soft centers. It's meant to saw clearly without crushing. Next is your 7-inch santoku knife. This one's great for chopping, dicing, and mincing. The flat edge and Granton style indentations help reduce sticking. Then we've got the 5-inch utility knife. It's a mid-sized blade for slicing fruits, sandwiches, or trimming meat. It's nimble and versatile for everyday preparation. Next is your paring knife. It is small but is very useful. It is perfect for peeling, coring, and precision cuts where control matters most. Next is your 4.5-inch steak knives, and there's 6 of these in the box. They are sleek and smooth edge. It is designed for cooked meats. They're lightweight but feel solid in hand. Next is the sharpening rod. This keeps your blades honed between uses. It's a nice touch for maintaining edge without needing a separate sharpener. Next is the kitchen scissors, multi-purpose for herbs, packaging, or even poultry. And finally, the knife block, and it came in color matte black with silver accents. It's got a modern look and holds everything securely without wobble. I tried carrying it and it's actually a heavy knife block. The diamond-shaped handles of all the knives are ergonomic and feel balanced in hand. Each knife has a one-piece high-carbon stainless steel blade. It is dishwasher safe and rust resistant. Now let's test these knives, and for my test I did sliced a sirloin into small pieces using the chef knife, slashing knife, santoku, utility, and paring knife. Each blade handled the meat well. There's no tearing, it's just clean cuts. I also tested them on tomatoes and onions to see how they handle softer textures and layered produce. After cooking a tri-tip roast in oven, I used one of these steak knives during dinner. It sliced through the meat easily, and I didn't even have to put a lot of effort compared to my old steak knives. Across the board, the knives felt balanced and responsive. The handles gave me a confident grip, even with wet hands, and the weight distribution made preparation work feel natural. In the B-roll, you'll see how clean the cuts were, especially on the sirloin and tomatoes. There's no jagged edges, no bruising, just smooth slices that made plating easier and more professional looking. So overall, for the price, this set delivers solid value. It's functional, stylish, and modern looking. If you're looking for a complete knife set and want a reliable that looks good and performs well, the Imarku 15-piece set is worth checking out. Link is in the description just in case you want to check it out. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.